Hello mga sisis! Welcome to my channel! First and foremost, gusto ko muna kayong batiin ng advance, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Hopefully, we all celebrate our holidays really well with our family. For today's video, I'll be sharing my 2025 makeup favorites, mga makeup products, techniques, and tools na nakatulong in upgrading my makeup game this year. Super affordable makeup finds, mga drugstore gems, and worth the price na makeup splurges na I really promise na you would love as well kung katulad kita na nagtitipid, ah, tapos katulad din kita ng ng skin type na super oily, tapos acne prone skin, you would really love the products na ipapakita ko later. Especially kung katulad kita na nagtitipid pero gusto pa rin magkaroon ng mga quality na makeup products. Kung ready na kayo for my 2025 makeup breakdown and my favorite makeup recommendation, please keep on watching. Mga sisis, these are the ones na mabilis hanapin sa mga malls, locally, or online platforms na hindi kayo bibiguin sa quality. And as much as possible, papakita ko sa inyo kung if online, papakita ko sila on screen kung saan ko sila namili. This makeup are high quality, no, based on my experience. If you're starting your makeup journey, this makeup are beginner friendly din that would surely be perfect when you're just building your makeup kit. Tapos, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung budget niyo for makeup. I will just do the order kung paano ko ginagawa yung makeup look ko. Magsisimula muna ako sa skin prep. Ang una kong recommendation is this Eskinol na Spotless Glow or any Eskinol. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko talaga when starting my makeup look para ma-sure ko na malinis yung canvas natin bago mag-makeup. Hindi hindi lang siya sa mukha ko kasi ginagamit ko sa batok, siko, leeg, tuhod. My second recommendation is this Her Skin na Sun Defense. If you've seen my first video, gamit ko na ata to. It's Sun Defense, Advanced Hydration, lightweight din siya, non-greasy, dewy matte finish. And mabibili mo lang siya sa TikTok shop, ganyan. Pero ito kasi nabibili ko lang din siya meron sa pharmacy namin. So, yun, medyo accessible din siya. Tapos, in the same brand, I was using this Hair Skin din na Secret Glow Tone of Cream with SPF 30 na din siya. Yun nga, Tone of Cream plus SPF na din, sunblock na din siya in one. I'll be recommending then this Sadiwear na uh, Pure Natural Active Collagen Face Cream. Lagi ko itong ginagamit. It was parang 200 pesos ata. And it contains na 100 grams. So, napakasulit ng product na to. I always use it to before my makeup routine. Tapos, kahit gaano pa kadaming nilagay niyo sa mukha niyo, mabilis lang din siya ma-absorb. We're a sucker for mga hybrid na products. So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na purchase. Ako naman yung type na kaya ko naman parang kahit pa paano, nagsisplurge ako sa makeup, pero alam ko na magagamit ko naman siya, no? So, I'll be recommending din this Cetaphil na Daily Facial Moisturizer na may SPF na din siya na 50. Ito, when I buy makeup naman, I make sure na nasaside ko siya. This recommendation din video is more on a base talaga. I have several recommendation for base. For me, that is the most important na pinagtutuunan ko talaga ng pansin. I have here several recommendation for base, no, first and foremost is this Revlon na Color Stay na foundation. It was a 24-hour wear. Mabilis kasi siya mag-set and kahit pa sabihin natin ano, it's for normal to dry skin, I find it mattifying din. Tapos hindi din ako ganun kabilis mag-oil up. Sabi dito that it has SPF 20 as well. Tapos I have here my favorite talaga na product, and that is this Pink Flash na foundation. As you can see, I have several shade. I have here the shade 6, shade 5, shade 3. I find it parang 100 plus lang. Tapos, you get a 25 grams na product. So, talagang napakasulit na siya. Tapos, medium to full coverage pa siya. So, talagang if you're planning to have a great foundation din, as you can see naman sa iba ko talagang videos na ito yung ginagamit ko, it always turn out great. Tapos, natatakpan niya talaga yung mga kailangan takpan. Kapag nagtitipid ka, Pink Flash talaga is one of the brands that is very budget friendly talaga. So, I have a lot of makeup products from them. Speaking of Pink Flash na foundation, I have here this Pink Flash na full coverage concealer. I have the shade 3. Ito yung ginamit ko sa eyes ko today. This brand is more or less 100 pesos lang. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat. And yet, it gives a, a good quality na of a concealer. Sabi ko nga, it's great as well for oily skin kasi hindi kayo agad-agad din maghuhulas with this product. Tapos, ito din yung ginagamit ko from concealer sa under eyes. Yan, tapos, hindi siya ganun agad-agad nagkikrease. Ano, so I have several concealer that I really recommend. And this is one, it's this Maybelline Fit Me na concealer. Parang every makeup lover talaga, parang ito yung pinaka-staple. Kasi given na it's great for oily skin, medyo mura din siya, tapos accessible kasi you can buy it anywhere sa malls. Tapos, hindi siya na agad-agad nagkikrease. Even though hindi siya ganun ka full coverage, pero nako-cover naman niya yung mga dapat i-cover. Next recommendation ko is this Beauty Glaze Concealer. Ano, yung packaging niya is uh, parang siyang parang Rare Beauty. Pero ito kasi is in the shade medium 105. Ito kasi is maganda yung coverage niya. Tapos great din siya for oily skin. Nagsaset siya, mabilis siyang mag-set, which is great para sa mga oily skin. Tapos, even if mabilis siyang mag-set, meron ka pa rin namang time para i-blend siya bago siya talaga mag-fully set. So, it's a great product as well. If the others are liquid naman, my last concealer na recommendation is this pot concealer talaga kasi yun talaga yung ginagamit ko for priming our eyes, for creating cut creases. Ito din yung pinang-cover ko ng mga burog-burog. Kasi, it's from Bobby Cosmetics na Puff Concealer in the shade CO1. Kita nyo naman, talagang nahitpan ko na siya. As far as I remember, I bought it for 60 pesos only. Nabili ko lang siya from Pure Gold ata. So, in malls as well para makakita din kayo nito. So, it's very convenient. I don't know if available from any online shop, pero if it's available, I'll be flash here na lang. Hindi talaga ako ganun nagko-contour. Pero if you're asking me if kung ano yung liquid contour ko na recommendation, that is this DC formulation na soft creamy contour in the shade Chestnut. It has really great reviews. Tapos, napaka-creamy din ng product na to. So, if you're looking for a creamy na affordable na cream contour, look for this brand. which is yung DC cause DC formulation. Meron din silang TikTok or sa Orange app. If you're looking for hindi ganun ka-harsh na contour, yan, this is a great recommendation. And since we're in the topic of base, I just want to give credits to uh, these tools. Ano, this first tool is this spatula. Pasensya na kasi medyo madumi since I just use it. No, it's a great for dispensing talaga products. And I can say that it's worth the hype. Ano, and then this triangle na puff, this makeup tool as well is a staple sa aking beauty routine since it keeps my makeup cake-free, ano, tapos flawless din. Ginagamit ko din siya in baking as well. I have here several recommendation for powder. First and foremost is this Maybelline Fit Me na powder. Ito kasi is great for oily skin as well. Medyo nahipan ko na siya. So, it's a great. Tapos, mabango pa siya. If you're looking naman for more affordable recommendation, I will recommend this Ashley Shine na monochrome velvet powder. I believe meron na din silang shop online pero nabibili ko lang din kasi siya sa mga market. I first stumbled this specific na powder on available sa inyo yung mga new store o kaya para sa mga Easy Green Hills, ganyan. I stumbled this brand kasi pero I believe meron silang TikTok shop. I'll post it here if ever na may nakita ako na sells this specific na product. Tapos, for contours naman, especially, I'll be recommending this Vice Cosmetics na Aura Contour. This is a staple makeup product din sa routine ko, no? Kahit medyo wasak na yung packaging niya kasi lagi ko nga talaga siyang ginagamit. As you can see, medyo na-hit pa na ng lola mo. On brand na on brand yung look natin for today. Of affordable din, I have here this. It's the Blight Cosmetics Blight by Caroline. I don't know if it's still available sa mga Watson, pero this product kasi, I just bought it parang early this January, early this year. And ever since, I never stop using it. Kita niyo naman, nahipan ko na din siya. Pinaka-recently ko na ginagamit. And this is this Maglin na I bought it from Shopee. Para siyang dupe ni Judy Doll. I just bought it parang for 30 pesos or 40 pesos from Shopee. Tapos, they also sell it sa TikTok. If you're looking for a dupe, hindi ko alam kung dupe pa talaga kasi I was never fortunate to be able to use the Jody Dalawan pero it's really great for its price. I don't know if it's FDA approved, pero one thing's for sure talaga, it really works. Since tapos na tayo in recommending, kasi wala naman akong blush recommendations kasi as of the moment, ang ginagamit kong blush is eyeshadow lang. We'll go straight from to the eyes. Ang ginagamit ko kasing pangkilay, my eyebrow recommendation is from DC Formulation na HD pomade. I bought it from Shopee, but they have TikTok shop as well, then Lazada. It's DC Formulation. Mabilis siyang mag-set. Kita niyo, ito yung ginamit ko kanina. Ito yung nakalagay pa siya dito. Hindi siya ganun kabilis mas-nudge. Ito kasi is nahugasan ko na yung kamay ko kanina. So, waterproof talaga siya kahit pawisin ka. It's a great recommendation. Tapos, next is this Maybelline na graphic liner talaga. As you can see, medyo makintab lang talaga siya. Pero, sinaset ko siya kasi nung minsan ng black na eyeshadow. Tapos, felt tip din siya. mas mabilis siyang mag-set. Hindi siya nagsa-smudge agad-agad. Tapos, I'll be recommending this as well, this BYS. Kung gusto niyo yung mga medyo lumaki yung mata niyo, pero hindi ganun kaputi to the point na parang siyang drag queen. It's this BYS na coil eyeliner pencil. I'm using the shade white, soft white. It's a great white eyeliner. As for mascara naman, my favorite one is definitely this Sissing Mascara na all-day waterproof lengthening mascara. Even if you look for reviews for this mascara talaga, a lot of good reviews are from this talaga mascara na kahit uh, pagpawisan ka, talagang hindi talaga siya mahuhulas yung mascara mo. Tapos, our next recommendations naman is for lips. We have here two shades of um, YOU na Color Matte Lipstick. Ang pinaka-recommended ko talaga na shade is this. If you're looking for red lipstick, go for the shade Cherry. Tapos, if you're looking for a mauve naman na kita niyo naman, naubos ko na siya. If you're looking for, ito na siya. Talagang kahit anong pihit mo, ito na lang yung natira. If you're looking for a mauve na old rose, go for the shade Hibiscus. It's a soft matte bullet lipstick. And then, if you're looking for a nude lipstick naman, as I always use, this Light by Carolina soft matte lipstick in the shade Pudding. Alam niyo yan, if you've watched some of my videos or all of my videos, most of the lipstick pag nude, ang lipstick na ginagamit ko is this specific na lipstick. Next recommendation naman is this Maybelline or any shade of this Maybelline na matte ink na lipstick. This one is groundbreaker. Ito talaga is kahit manligo ka, kahit mag-outing ka dahil, hindi talaga siya agad-agad natatanggal. Then nyo muna siyang mag-set and then the whole day na siya nasa lips nyo. Even if kumain kayo, uh, hindi pa rin siya agad-agad matatanggal. At sabi ko nga kanina, I have a lot of Pink Flash na product. And then this recommendation as well, this one. Ito, I bought it parang set of 3 ata. I bought it this. Tapos, so far lahat naman nagagamit ko siya. This was a Pink Flash Lasting Matte Lip Cream. I have here the shade 03, PO2, PO3, tsaka PO1. This is the swatches, the two YOU lipstick that I have. This is in the shade Cherry. Tapos ito yung shade na Hibiscus. Tapos ito naman yung swatches ng Pink Flash ko na liquid lipstick. Ito is gloss. It's in the shade GO3. Tapos yung sumunod is in the shade PO1. Tapos yung sumunod is in the shade PO2 and the last one is para siyang red tone. It's in the shade PO3. The last thing that I am going to recommend is this Asda na setting spray. Yan. Hindi man halata na most of my recommendations is color pink. Hindi siya coincident siya. Pero yun, it's in, as you can see, well-loved talaga yung setting spray na to kasi even if it's more or less 100 pesos din, it's from Asla. Even if oily skin ako, no, you just have to shake it well, tapos bago kayo mag-spray sa mukha nyo. Tapos, I do use this as a setting spray after my foundation. Before ko iset yung foundation ko, nagsiset ako nito. But don't use it as a makeup prep. Kasi I've done it one time and nahirapan ako i-blend yung mga liquid sa mukha ko. Use it as well in finalizing your makeup and then it will make sure that it will set your foundation and in your makeup as well, even if oily skin kayo. Kita nyo naman, you can look for reviews here online. Tapos, I can prove as well that this will uh, last uh, 12 hours or 8 hours minimum uh, using this makeup spray. Ano, it's from, number siya, pero as far as I remember, it's Star Flash Quick Sand Rose Makeup Setting Spray from Asla. And that's it mga sisis ko. These are my top 2025 makeup recommendations that totally changes my makeup game. Comment down below your top Holy Grail makeup product this 2025. And kung alin sa mga recommendation ko yung na-try nyo na and yung mga gusto nyong subukan. Again, that's it mga sis. Don't forget to like, share this video sa mga katulad natin, mga sisis natin na nagtitipid but we wanted to look for products na good quality pero budget friendly. Lalo din sa mga katulad ko na oily skin, tapos acne prone skin. Subscribe to my channel as well. Papasko na sa akin since magpapasko na. And para na din updated kayo sa mga budget-friendly ko na makeup transformation. Thank you for watching mga sisis ko and see you in my next video.